First things first, a little bit of blue mouthwash to, you know, average tools to pull a tooth. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, a hooky thing. That'll help. What else we got? Oh, tweezers to pull it when it breaks in pieces. And and I've already put some of this in my mouth. And yes, an Allen key. I don't know why. And this piece. And if we had whiskey, I would tell you that we need whiskey, but it's already a root canal. It's already been cut. The nerve has been cut. It was a root canal that had to be not crowned because I was a broke-ass dumb motherfucker and I had it broke 3 times and it's been about 5 years. And finally, the thing broke off at the gum line. And I see if I can get a picture of it. Do I have a lighter so I can, or a light so I can see? Audio guy, can you try and look at this? Hey, look at this. I'm not facing you. Hey, don't worry. I'm not gonna put you in the thing. Okay? Okay. Look at this. Okay. I want you to see the light. See if you can look at it. Don't touch anything on the screen. Can you see it? It's right there. It's got it. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So first let's widen the hole just a little bit. Thank you. So I can get this in there, kind of like a tap screw when you break off the top of the screw and the head of your fucking whatever you want to call it. I gotta find it. Come on, stand up close and I want to see this shit. Like inside. Okay? Inside. Yeah. Okay. You gotta keep going on it. Like no. Inside, watch where the tooth is going. Like, right? You want to get right in like that. Right? There you go. Get in there where you can see it. Can you see it?
Oh, that's what you stop.
Okay. Now what I want you to... Oh, it's still going. Okay. Just... To see this, I want you to get it up as close as... Yeah, it's light. There we go. And I want you to give me a tap when you think it's got a hole. No. Point up.
Yeah,
so you want it into the picture, right? Into the... Okay. You like the hole?
In the hole.
Alright. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna take some more out. Okay, that's good for that. Now we're gonna use the Pimp Daddy screw here. My Newfie top screw. Or what do you call those things? When you tap in a screw? Top screw, right? Yeah. It's a Newfie top screw. Hold on. I was smart enough I'd go to a fucking dentist, but I want it out now. There you go. Is it going in?
Yeah.
Okay. How far?
Don't know. I can't see.
Get in there.
I can't see. 'Cause your tires are in the way.
Okay. Ah, he's not in. Okay, that might be good. I'm not gonna feel it now. Okay. There you go. That way. Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Sometimes go down, key. There, another hole sleep. Looking in there. Looking at different.
Giving us. Oh, don't look much different.
Keep going. Okay. It might take a minute. Fuck me. A couple more tries here and I've got nothing else to do. Let's go this way. Oh, don't poke your gun with that thing. It hurts. Oh, fuck. Yeah.
Not even close.
I want right close to it, like
Yeah.
right fucking close. I see it digging in
Turn
there.
this way.
You see it digging in there? Inside the tooth, upside.
Yeah,
up
you're
in
up
there.
inside the tooth.
No, but can you camera
yes,
see?
you're seeing.
That's what I
You
want
have
to
to
see.
turn this way
Okay,
to the light.
sorry. I know this is getting gross soon. There you go. That's not a tear. Just from squinting my eye. Promise.
Redneck dentistry.
I don't know if I'm gonna get it.
I don't think you're going to get it.
I don't want to give up.
There's no way.
Okay, I need something to grip it. Right here. I want to get it. I want to get it.
Not coming out, but
Maybe this will get it now. That is nice. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hey, feel it? You got it in there, right?
turn that fucker.
It'll go in there. There we go. This is rotten in there, eh?
And it's just breaking it apart.
Mm-hmm.
Make it a bigger problem.
Mm-hmm. And that's I want to pull it out right away. Okay? It's a double win. I either get it out or they get it out for me because they'll think I'm a fucking idiot before I get infection. And I'll show them this video. Yeah.
Don't do this at home, kids. It's tapped in. It's tapped.
Yeah, break it. Break this fucking shoe somehow. Pull it to pieces.
The roots are too deep, buddy. Way too deep. You're gonna shatter it.
I know, I want to.
No, you're gonna shatter just the outside, and then it's gonna be still your roots sticking inside.
Uh-huh. I know. And then you pull the pieces up. Maybe.
No,
How many minutes? 20?
14 right now.
This is not going to be an epic fucking fail on YouTube. If it is, epic fail. Oh,
Yeah.
Epic try, too.
Epic try. Fucking
Couple more. 2 more minutes.
more balls than some people I know. Hoopla!
You hear that smack? You guys hear that? Did you hear the crack?
Yeah, I think you're done.